Hello everybody, Joel here. So today's project, we are in my wife's craft room. We've just moved her into this room. Used to be my daughter's bedroom, and now she's making it her own for a craft room. And we need to move the TV from her old craft room down to here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put this TV bracket up in this area approximately to hang just a small, I think it's a 32 inch television flat screen off of. So here I've got some tools that we will be using. This is a Sanus bracket. It is a FSF207 wall mount. It's a swiveling bracket. And I've got a screwdriver. We've got a couple of lag bolts. And I've got a drill. We'll drill a couple of pilot holes into the stud so we can drill in easier. And I've got a stud finder, and that will help in locating the stud. So we've got a jack down here. There's a TV jack there, and we have a power outlet over here, which isn't ideal. We're going to have these cords hanging. For now, probably get a cord manager that will go right down the wall. You can get one of those that tapes onto the wall and covers up the cords, and we'll see how that works. But let's go ahead and get started installing this swivel TV bracket. We've determined that this will be an approximately perfect height for the television, and in this general area we have a stud, so I'll put a mark on the wall at approximately this area. And we'll use the stud finder So if we put the stud finder over the hollow part of the wall, we're fairly sure that it's the hollow part of the wall. Then we'll move the stud finder horizontally, and it will line up with that first edge of the stud, go across the stud, and then it will let go once it gets across. Now it's a little bit more than 1.5 inches, so you have to kind of figure to the center. So that would be about right here, be approximately center of that stud. So we've used the stud finder to find the location of the center of the stud, and here's my original mark of the height. So we'll go ahead and just pencil line this in so we can get our holes drilled in. We'll drill a hole right up there, and we'll drill a hole down here. These lag bolts have a 5/16 head on them, and they are plenty sturdy for this lightweight TV. This is a Klein Tools multi-tool, and it has a ratcheting action, which comes in handy at times like this. So here's the back of the television. I'll just go ahead and finish tightening up these screws on the bracket that is mounted to the rear of the television. Okay, now that's ready to hang up onto the swivel bracket. You'll see there's a tiny screw right here. That's an important screw because that will hold the bracket. This slotted piece will slide into the top part of the bracket, and then this screw will have to screw in from the wall mount portion back into this back bracket to keep it from swaying or slipping up off of the bracket It'll keep it nice and straight and sturdy onto the swivel part of the bracket. But I'll show you that when we get it up there. So here you can see the rear of the television bracket with the slot, and that is the top of the mounting bracket, and they will go together. Like that. And the other important piece is to put this little screw into the back of the bracket and make sure that gets fastened in there nice and tight. And that is what keeps the TV from tipping off and up and out of that slot on the top. There you can see the swivel action. Pretty much lets you tip it and tilt it to any which direction you would like it to be, within reason. There is a knob on the back that allows you to adjust the tilt. We have it adjusted to pretty much about right where we would like it to be, so we'll leave it there. And there you have it, a very basic, simple TV mount installation. This is a Vizio TV. Hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all on the next video.